Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll explore the documentation and record keeping requirements outlined in ISO 22301, the International Standard for Business Continuity Management Systems, BCMS. Let's delve into the importance of documentation and how it supports effective business continuity management. Importance of documentation. Documentation is a cornerstone of effective business continuity management. It provides a structured framework for capturing, organizing, and communicating essential information related to business continuity plans, procedures, and activities. Documentation requirements in ISO 22301. ISO 22301 specifies several documentation requirements to ensure the effectiveness of a business continuity management system, BCMS. These include business continuity policy. Organizations must develop and maintain a documented business continuity policy that outlines their commitment to maintaining resilience and continuity of operations. Business Impact Analysis Report, BIA. A documented BIA report is required to identify critical business processes, dependencies, and the potential impact of disruptions on operations. Risk Assessment and Treatment Plan. Documented risk assessments and treatment plans help identify and address potential threats and vulnerabilities to business continuity. Business Continuity Plans, BCPs. Develop documented BCPs that outline procedures, roles, responsibilities, and resources needed to respond to and recover from disruptions. Incident Response Procedures. Documented incident response procedures provide guidance on how to detect, assess, and escalate incidents as well as initiate response actions. Recovery plans. Documented recovery plans detail the steps and resources required to restore critical business functions, IT systems, and infrastructure following a disruption. Training and awareness materials. Documented training materials and awareness programs help educate employees about their roles, responsibilities, and procedures for business continuity. Record keeping requirements. In addition to documentation, ISO 22301 also emphasizes the importance of record keeping to demonstrate compliance and facilitate continual improvement. Record keeping requirements may include records of BIA results, risk assessments, and treatment plans. Records of incident reports, response actions, and recovery efforts. Records of training activities, drills, exercises, and simulations. Records of audits, reviews, and management reviews. Benefits of documentation and record keeping. Effective documentation and record keeping offer several benefits, including improved organizational resilience and continuity of operations, enhanced communication and coordination during emergencies, compliance with regulatory requirements and audit standards, facilitated training, awareness, and knowledge transfer, continual improvement through lessons learned and best practices. In conclusion, documentation and record keeping play a vital role in supporting effective business continuity management as per ISO 22301. By documenting policies, plans, procedures, and activities, organizations can enhance resilience, mitigate risks, and ensure continuity of operations in the face of disruptions. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like further information on documentation and record keeping requirements in ISO 22301, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.